Have any of you been doing any online shopping? If you have, please be sure to tell me about that in the comments below. Even if it wasn't online, tell me about it in the comments below. In 2023, I tried really hard to be careful about limiting my purchases, my quilt-related purchases. And this year I have bought a few things. Some of it was actually purchased by one of my sisters, but I want to show you because we picked it out together and it is some fabric that I think you'll want to see. But in this video I'm going to show you what I purchased, tell you a little bit about why I purchased each item and where I got each item from. Now, I did purchase some stuff from several different online places. I purchased some from Missouri Star, some from Fat Quarter Shop. I purchased several things from Amazon. I went to Taylor Seville's website and I purchased a couple of items from their website. And I purchased an item that I'm really excited about from Doohikey Designs. I've never ordered anything from that company before, but they make a really neat product that I've been wanting to get and that I've been searching for. So I'll be sharing the items I purchased and why I purchased each of the items. Oh yes, and I did purchase a little thing from Walmart that I think you'll find interesting. Now, before I show you these items, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. The first product that I purchased that I want to show you, actually the first two, are two products that I purchased from the Taylor Seville website. I ran across that when I was researching information for the magic pin video that I did, but I saw these on there and I wanted to try that. This is called the Ultimate Thread Conditioner. I haven't used it yet because I haven't bound any quilts since I did that, but I am getting ready to bind 3 quilts and I'm going to be using this on at least one of them, so I will be able to let you know more about that. But I used to use the little beeswax that comes in the little clear container. It's a little round puck type thing with little slots, but I wanted to try this. So if you've used this, be sure to tell me about that in the comments below. The next thing I ran across were these bobbin toppers. Now, I have used bobbin minders before and I got rid of all of them because I didn't really care much for them. But I wanted to try these. I think these are really cool. Now, I guess I put these on the wrong end. You stick them up here at the top, or you can stick them at the bottom. But I think these are going to work well for my to-go bag so that I can keep track of the bobbins a little bit easier when I am doing on-the-go quilting. And let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. You got 8. Well, it says 8 right there. But I thought those were kind of neat. I don't know how well I'll like them in the long run, but right now I think they're kind of cool. And those will be going in my to-go bag with the spools of thread that I will be taking. The next thing I purchased was this little pin magnet with the suction cup. I got this at Walmart. It was on clearance. I paid $2 or $3 for it, and it's really neat. I've actually used it a little bit, but I put it back in here so you could kind of see how it works. And if you can see, you stick it right there on your machine, and you can put your pins on it. To me, this was worth the $2 or $3 I spent on it. It works good. It holds my pins and has them handy right there if I need to just take them in and out of my fabric as I'm sewing. I really like that. I've never had one like that, but that's a nice little add-on to my sewing machine. And again, I just purchased that at Walmart and it was on clearance. How could I pass it up, right? The next 3 items I ordered from Amazon, and I'll put links for all these items in the description below. These, I just really needed a new 8.5-inch square. My other one, I had dropped it several times and cracked the corners, and that may not bother some people, but that bothered me. So I needed a new one of those. And then I misplaced one of these that I had, and I cannot find it. I had two, and I needed one for here and for my on-the-go quilt bag, so I had to get another one for here. If you saw my Ragtime quilting, my Ragtime quilt marathon video, I showed you that I had recently purchased a new pair of these Snips. These are a must if you're making ragtime quilts, and I needed a brand new pair, and I needed a second pair because one of my sisters is going to be helping me with that. I love these for clipping those ragtime quilts, and those are a definite must. The things I've ordered, I really feel like most of these are things that are really just necessary. I just recently purchased some polyester thread for the ragtime quilts, and I ordered these from the Fat Quarter Shop. I bought navy and gray for the upcoming quilts I'm going to make. I really decided to go with polyester because polyester is supposed to be a lot stronger than cotton, and I think you need a stronger thread with the ragtime quilts, especially because I like to put batting in them and they're heavier, and this quilt is supposed to be stronger, so we'll see how that works out. And then this just came today. This is from the Fat Quarter Shop. This looks like a bar of soap, but I really needed to replace my little, let me show you. This is my pin container for my on-the-go quilt bag, and I really felt like I needed something just a little bit different. So I purchased this from Fat Quarter Shop. It feels like a bar of soap. That's about the size that it is. But I like this little thing here. So this is a little container for your pins. I might as well take care of this right now. I'll put my little clips in one of my little recyclable gum containers. But these just, look how good that's going to work out. That's a really strong magnet. And then when you're done, you just stick them in the little container. I got too many there. Something tells me I should be putting those in there. See that once they get lined up like that, then maybe they'll be able to go in there a little bit easier. And then look how this works. This just slides right in there. Okay, so I had to refilm some of this because I didn't realize that my card was full, so let me finish up with this one. This is from the Fat Quarter Shop, and this is going to go in my on-the-go travel case, travel bag for my magnetic pin container. I really like that. And then the clips that were left out of that bag I just showed you, I just threw them in there. Alright, these I unwrapped thinking I was videoing the unwrapping, but I wasn't. But so here we go. These were also from the Fat Quarter Shop. I love these little seam guide rulers. I have a couple here in my quilt room of 2 different sizes, but I wanted this size for my on-the-go quilt bag. So I really hadn't purchased new stuff for my on-the-go quilt bag, but these are new items. And this is a 4.5 by 8.5 ruler. I love the Creative Grids products because they're clear and easy for me to see, and they're non-slip. But I don't have one this size, and I wanted one for this size. And I'm going to put this in my on-the-go quilt bag. I think. Who knows? I may leave it in my quilt room. I haven't made verdicts not out yet on that one. Now here are some flannels that I ordered. These were actually purchased by my sister, but I'm going to show you them. If you're a flannel addict, please be sure to tell me about that in the comments below. These are luscious, especially these woolies. I love woolies fabrics. Ah, they're just so soft, and oh, I just love them. Anyway, these are the beautiful ones that my sister ordered. This is a crosshatch. This is a Woolies tomato red. No, this is a Woolies. This is tomato red. This is pewter gray. I love the stripe. This is, I think it's called light gray on point. I'm not sure what these greens are called, but they are just great light greens to help lighten up the quilts we'll be making. This is the last item I want to show you, and I have not opened it. I just cut the tops and sides. This is from Doohikey Designs. Look at this. It is made in the USA. Yahoo! Doohikey Designs. There it is. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I saw Patty Mac show one of these. I had to have one. They're called a ruler Roundup. You know, I really think I probably should have got red. Red is my favorite color. But this is for ruler storage. And this is why I purchased this. Let's take a look. It's got these little felt things on the bottom. Made in the USA. I want to show you why I purchased this. I have been having to dig for my smaller rulers. And look at this. No more digging. I'm really so excited about that. But this is going to be for my smaller rulers. And I'm going to leave it setting out. I haven't found the perfect place yet here in my quilt room, but I will. In the comments below, please be sure to tell me if you have one of these and if you like it. And tell me what color you have. Alright, that's the last of the products I wanted to show you. Please be sure to tell me about any shopping sprees you've been on lately. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and until next time, have fun quilting.